Hey guys, in front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and let me show you how to block a number. First, open your phone the other. Now tap on more icon, which is 3.1, and select block and filter. And here, let me just go with all the setup. And here, just by tapping on more, you can enroll your block list and tap on plus icon to either enter some particular number, enter some prefix, or select number from your contact list. So let's block some contact, then let's add some number. And if you want to block some prefix as well, just mark block by prefix and just enter it right here. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.